Have you ever wondered what GST is? Well, GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is a critical cog in any country's economic machinery. It's a value-added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. Essentially, it's the government's way of sharing in the profit of businesses. From the smallest corner shop to the largest multinational corporation, GST impacts them all. It's a fascinating subject with many layers to uncover. So let's dive deeper to understand the intricacies of GST. GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is a value-added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. Value-added tax, or VAT, is a type of tax that's assessed incrementally. It's based on the increase in value of a product or service at each stage of production or distribution. GST, however, is a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax. It's levied on every value addition. So what sets GST apart from other taxes? Well, it eliminates the cascading effect of tax. In other words, it's a tax on tax. By streamlining the tax structure, GST promotes uniformity. No longer do businesses have to navigate a web of various state and central taxes. With GST, there's one tax from the manufacturer to the consumer. Now that we know what GST is, let's understand its different types. In many countries, GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is divided into various types depending on where the goods and services are consumed. As we delve into this subject, let's first discuss the three primary types of GST: Central GST, State GST, and Integrated GST. Central GST, also known as CGST, is the tax levied by the central government on transactions of goods and services within a state. It plays a crucial role in the overall economic stability of a country, helping to fund national projects and initiatives. On the other hand, State GST, or SGST, is a tax imposed by individual state governments on intrastate supply of goods and services. This tax is vital for the financial autonomy of states, allowing them to fund local projects and cater to the specific needs of their residents. The third type, Integrated GST, or IGST, is charged on interstate supply of goods and services, as well as on imports. This tax is collected by the central government and later distributed among states. IGST ensures that tax is evenly distributed nationwide, promoting economic balance across different regions. In a nutshell, these three types of GST work together to maintain a uniform taxation system across a country. They ensure that tax revenue is collected efficiently and allocated appropriately, contributing to the overall economic development of the nation. With that knowledge, we can now delve into the benefits of GST. GST is not just any tax, it brings with it a number of benefits. At its core, GST is designed to reduce the overall tax burden on consumers. How, you ask? Well, by eliminating the cascading effect of taxes. This means no tax on tax, making goods and services more affordable. Moreover, GST also improves the efficiency of businesses. By unifying various indirect taxes into one, it simplifies tax compliance and reduces administrative costs. This, in turn, allows businesses to focus more on their core operations, leading to increased productivity and profitability. And there's more. GST also plays a significant role in boosting economic growth. By creating a single, unified national market, it enhances trade and commerce and fosters a competitive business environment. So you see, GST plays a pivotal role in shaping a country's economy. It's more than just a tax, it's a catalyst for economic development and prosperity. To sum it all up, GST is a comprehensive tax that is levied on the sale of goods and services. It's a game-changing reform for the Indian economy by creating a unified national market. This tax system, with its diverse categories, Central GST, State GST, and Integrated GST, has been designed to distribute the tax burden fairly among consumers and businesses. The benefits of GST are manifold. It reduces the cascading effect of tax, leading to cost effectiveness for businesses and price reduction for consumers. It also increases government revenue by widening the tax base and enhances the ease of doing business in India. Moreover, GST promotes transparency and compliance, making tax evasion more difficult. It's a tax system that not only impacts the economy, but also touches our everyday lives. Understanding GST helps us appreciate how our purchases contribute to the nation's economy. So, the next time you see GST on your bill, you'll know what it stands for.